Hit that subscribe button.
Hey everyone, what's up? In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use an ESP8266 Wi-Fi module. ESP8266 is just the name of the chip. Many companies have designed their own boards that uses this chip, so there are many different ESP8266 board on the market. If you don't know the difference between all those different models, you might have a hard time deciding on what board to buy. Some boards have all kind of features on board to help developing ESP8266 hardware and software. For example, a USB to serial converter for programming, a 3.3 volt regulator for power, onboard LED for debugging. First, open up the preferences in menu and enter this link in additional board manager. After this, go to the board manager and download the ESP8266 packages. Now close the Arduino IDE and reopen it. You'll see every ESP8266 board in the board manager. Select your board type and COM port. And now let's just flash our board with basic blink sketch. And it's done. Most of the microcontroller functionality of the ESP uses exactly the same syntax as a normal Arduino, which means we can flash all sort of sketches in ESP as long as it supports the Arduino library which we are using.